Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make yummy curry. First, you'll need fresh aromatics like a 2-inch piece of ginger, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 large onion, finely chopped. Next, gather your essential spices: 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Don't forget your main ingredient, perhaps 1 pound of chicken or 2 cups of mixed vegetables, and 1 can of full-fat coconut milk for that creamy texture. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, ginger, and garlic, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they are soft and translucent. Then, stir in your ground spices, turmeric, cumin, and coriander, cooking for just 1 minute until fragrant. A 1/4 cup of water or broth can prevent burning and help the spices bloom beautifully. With your flavor base established, it's time to add the main components. Incorporate your 1 pound of chicken or 2 cups of vegetables, stirring to coat them in the aromatic mixture. Pour in 1 13.5-ounce can of full-fat coconut milk, ensuring everything is submerged. Bring the curry to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, covering and cooking for at least 20 to 30 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to truly meld together. Almost there. Before serving, give your curry a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add another ½ teaspoon of salt or a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. Garnish generously with a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped cilantro or a sprinkle of garam masala for an extra layer of warmth. Serve your yummy curry hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.